here because I wrote it this morning. If I mess up, I'm sorry.
Rain is falling hard on the Carolina pier, and there's no hour colder than the minute you're not here. The arms that used to hold me now are folded in themselves. I found myself just longing for the ice you used to melt. Is it hard for you to let go? 'Cause it's hard for me, you know. And I'll wish upon the summer rain that's now forming into snow. Those nights your house kept secrets as we'd stumble up the stairs. I'd try to keep my distance like I was breathing up your air. The scent of longing lingers like you're burning up the storm. Now I think a memory has never felt so warm. Is it hard for you to let go? 'Cause it's hard for me, you know. And I'll wish upon the summer rain that's now forming into snow. I know you used to hold me like water in your hands, and even when you didn't, I would try to understand. Sporadic desperation can only do so much. Back then I knew I had you, so I treasure every touch. Is it hard for you to let go? 'Cause it's hard for me, you know. And I'll wish upon the summer rain that's now forming into snow.
Wow, that's great.
Thank you.
Wow. Don't stop, keep going for Eva.